This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. In this tutorial, we'll know how to solve the multi-step inequalities. To solve the multi-step equation, we use the order of operation. So we start from the bracket and the power times or divide plus or minus. We said if you want to solve the order of operation, we are going from up to down. If you want to solve the equation, you are moving from down to up. The same as solving the inequality. If you want to solve the inequality, we'll move from down to up. But keep in mind, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you will change the sign of the inequality. So for the first one, negative 11y minus 13 is more than 42. Because we have negative 13, so we'll add 13. So negative 11y is more than 42 plus 13 equals to 55. Now we have negative 11y dividing by negative 11, dividing by negative 11, then y. Because you divide by negative, you have to change the sign of the inequality. 55 divided by negative 11 equals to negative 5. And that is the solution of the inequality. Number 2. 23 more than or equal 10 minus 2w. By subtracting 10. So we have now 23 minus 10 is more than or equal negative 2w. So 23 minus 10 equal to 13. More than or equal negative 2w. Divided by negative 2. Divided by negative 2. Because we divide by negative, so we'll change the sign of the inequality. 13 divided by negative 2 equal negative 6.5. And to cancel negative 2, that will be w. Now we need to graph the solution. So make it negative 6.5. W more than or equal to negative 6.5. Because it's more than or equal, so that will be closed. More than, it means we'll shed all of the right parts. Number 3. 43 more than negative 4y plus 11. As we said before, we'll subtract 11. So the inequality now is 43 minus 11 more than negative 4y. 43 minus 11 equal to 32. More than negative 4y. Then divided by negative 4. 32 divided by negative 4 equals to negative 8. Because we divide by negative, so we change the sign of the inequality. So we cancel negative 4, it means that's y. So the solution now will be, that's negative 8. Y more than negative 8, it means that will be open and going to the right. In this problem, we need to define the variable, write the inequality, and solve the problem. 3 minus 11 times the number. So 3 minus 11 times the number, which is 11x, is more than 21 minus 5 times the number. 21 minus 5 times the number, which is 5x. Now we have a variable on each side, so by adding 5x and subtracting 3, so the inequality now will be negative 11x plus 5x is more than 21 minus 3. So negative 6x is more than 18. Divided by negative 6. Divided by negative 6. So x is less than negative 3. We change the sign of the inequality because we divide by a negative number. So the solution now will be x less than negative 3. Number 2. 2 more than half of a number. 2 more than, it means plus 2. Half of a number, which is 1 over 2x, is greater than 27. Now we can solve it by subtracting 2. So 1 over 2x is more than 25. Half x, it means multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2. So x is more than 50.